How to enable developer option in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow if we want to enable it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it's super easy. We can start by opening up the Excel application on our device and go ahead and open up a document. So once you open up a document, you can look out for the file option in the top left and click on it. And once we click on it, select the option of more and select options. And that will provide us with this menu right here. So select the option of customize ribbon. And here we should be finding different options. Now on the right hand side, we can look out for the developer option and ensure this option right here is turned on and click on OK. Go ahead and do so and the developer option will be appearing on the top ribbon section. You can also follow the same process for Excel on Mac and just go over and follow this method, and that is it. It will give you tools like macros, VBA editor, form controls, add-ins, and XML tools, so you can turn on this option this way. So that is it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.